You think you're drinking protein, but you're actually sipping on dessert in disguise. They promise lean muscle, clean fuel, and post-workout recovery. But what they don't tell you? Most store-bought shakes are loaded with hidden sugars, cheap fillers, and artificial chemicals your body never asked for. And the worst part? They're sold as healthy, while quietly derailing your fitness goals. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact ingredients to avoid and the smarter alternatives that actually support muscle gain and fat loss. You'll never look at a healthy protein shake the same way again. 1. What's really inside that bottle? Flip the label. You'll often find maltodextrin, a blood sugar spiker used in junk food, artificial sweeteners like sucralose or acesulfame potassium linked to gut disruption, low-grade protein concentrates often derived from ultra-processed dairy waste, vegetable oils like canola or soybean, inflammatory and completely unnecessary. These aren't ingredients for muscle. They're ingredients for metabolic confusion. 2. The sugar trap, even in zero-sugar shakes. Many shakes say zero sugar, but they're sweetened with synthetic sugar alcohols like erythritol or sorbitol. These can cause bloating, insulin disruption, and digestive issues, especially if consumed daily. Some healthy shakes contain more carbs than a donut, once you count the added thickeners, gums, and sneaky sweeteners. 3. Protein quality matters. Not all protein is created equal. Whey concentrate, cheap, harder to digest. Whey isolate, better absorption, fewer impurities. Casein, slow digesting, good for nighttime. Plant blends, often mixed with soy, pea, and rice, but watch for heavy metal contamination. If your shake just says protein blend, that's a red flag. It often means whatever is cheapest, not what's best for your body. 4. Why they're addictive by design. The taste, the texture, engineered in food labs to make your brain crave more. These aren't made for health. They're made for profit, with mouthfeel enhancers, flavor agents, and emulsifiers. You're not drinking a gym drink. You're drinking a milkshake with muscle marketing. 5. The hormone disruption. Nobody talks about many store-bought shakes include xenoestrogens, synthetic compounds that mimic estrogen. Where do they come from? Plastic packaging, artificial flavors, preservatives like BHT. These can mess with testosterone, increase fat storage, and slow muscle growth, especially dangerous if you're drinking these daily. 6. Gut health killer. Most people don't realize your gut health directly affects your metabolism, immunity, and mental clarity. But store-bought shakes often contain carrageenan, linked to inflammation, gums like guar and xanthan, cause bloating, artificial sweeteners, disrupt gut bacteria. Instead of supporting recovery, they're silently triggering gut distress and digestive issues. 7. You're paying premium for marketing, not nutrition. A $4 shake sounds like a small price for gains, right? But in reality, you're often paying for celebrity endorsements, fancy packaging, buzzwords like superfood and clean energy. Meanwhile, the actual protein quality inside, dirt cheap. You're better off blending your own shake at home for half the price and double the nutrition. 8. What to choose instead. Here's how to do it right. Look for third-party tested protein brands. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein per serving. No added sugar. Ingredients should be simple and clean. Whey isolate, natural flavor. Maybe stevia, that's it. Bonus, try homemade shakes with real food. So next time you grab that shiny bottle from the shelf, ask yourself, is this really fuel for performance or just a sweet trap in a shaker? If you found this eye-opening, drop a like, comment the worst protein shake brand you've tried, and don't forget to subscribe to FitFlicks for more no BS fitness and health truths. Flick, trained, thrive.